So the first area we're going to look into is how you can test your course idea with a pre-sale beta test course launch. And as I remember from last week, someone was saying, I feel like a squirrel. I have collected all this information from my audience and I have all this great content. It's like I've collected all these nuts and I'm guarding them, but I don't quite know what to do with them. And today I want to help you get past that feeling and actually just get ready to get out there and throw those nuts out so they can benefit other people. So the thing is, you actually are pretty much ready to test the interest before the course is done. There's only a few elements you need to cover today in order to get ready to actually start launching the pre-sale offer. And let me just walk you through what you have already, because you've already defined your unique background and experience. We looked over that in module 1. You know the course transformation, pretty much, you know the end goal, you know the key steps to get there. You've done market, audience, and competitor research. You have your course mind map with the key steps, and you have this roughly made storyboard. Maybe you have it, maybe you don't, because I just had my mind map. That's really what I started out from when I launched my course. And then you have the set up the structure in your learning management system. And then you might consider to have these module introductions. I did write those before I launched because I wanted to make sure that I had the key steps of the journey ready. So that's really all I had. And then today we're going to talk about how to write the pre-sale page and to have a 3-week launch schedule and an email campaign with 10 emails. And then you can repurpose the emails and put it into social media posts with links to a 50% off pre-sale offer. That's going to encourage people to join your course. And then you have the option of adding a brief welcome to your course with text and video. What I had my free webinar with 4 phases you should do to create a meaningful and profitable online course, and then my discovery questionnaire. That was part of my welcome. So wait a minute, you might think, does this mean that you don't have to know exactly what you're going to say in each module before you launch? And that is exactly what I'm saying. That's exactly where I was at. Literally, I had a blank screen as far as the presentations. I have done my preparations each week before each module. So I have been following along with you just ahead, because I also then had the opportunity to adjust the course along the way as the questions came in. This was a little bit of the information you can get in my online course on how to create meaningful and profitable online courses. If you're interested in learning more, please visit my website and you can see what you can get by joining this class of knowledge about creating your own meaningful and profitable online course and build your reputation as an industry expert. And to reach more people, duplicate yourself like a good version of Mr. Smith and make revenue while you are sleeping. If that sounds good to you, check it out. Aloha!